Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the shipping calculated at checkout message under your Shopify products. It's a pretty simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now, this is a default message that can pop up when you buy a product, wherein it will show or say that shipping will be calculated at checkout. Now, if you want to remove this or add something else of your own, like free shipping worldwide, there's an easy way to do this. All you have to do is come into the theme section of your online store, click on these three dots and click on edit default theme content. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on products and scroll down to where it says this message, which is shipping and calculated checkout. If you can't find this by scrolling, you can obviously search for it over here. Just search for calculated at checkout, and once you do that, you will see this option under products where there is this HTML policy of shipping. All you have to do is select the whole thing, click on backspace and press space. Make sure you press space and then click on save, and that is it. That message should now be removed and you can do whatever you want with your product now. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.